Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian gem. Tomorrow we'll be in St. Martin, so I'm looking forward to that. I just saw a country and western dance and song show in the Stardust Theater, which is a very large theater. It holds, I'm going to say, at least 1,200 people. It's pretty big for a mid-sized ship. It was a great show. A lot of country and western line dancing, singing, and that kind of stuff, like a Hoedown type of atmosphere. And now they're doing a big country and western song and dance thing in the Spinnaker Lounge for people to drink, dance, and just have fun. So I'm going to head over there right now. Come along with me. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And shout out to Miscellaneous Migs, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, What's Going On at the Showboat? Congratulations, Miscellaneous Migs. Most cruise ships, including the one I'm on right now, the Norwegian Gem, always have some kind of a theme night going every night. Tonight's Hoedown. Sometimes it's disco, other nights it's 80s music, Latin music, Caribbean music. They have glow parties and white parties. You name it, there's something going on every night with a theme. And the really cool thing is, there's no cover charge and all the drinks are included. Just be careful who you pick as a dance partner, because some of these ladies who look like they're single dancing up here have a 6'5", 300-pound cowboy getting drunk at the bar. Unlike airplanes, cruise ships really don't care how much luggage or how much it weighs you bring aboard. As long as you can carry it aboard and fit it in your cabin, you're good to go. That being said, a lot of these cruisers are die-hard partiers and will pack an outfit for every theme. It's crazy. They'll pack a country western outfit, they'll pack their 80s outfit, they'll pack their white outfit for the white parties. It's just amazing how much luggage people bring aboard a ship. And if you're doing a lot of shopping at the ports of call, no problem. Just buy a whole bunch of big bags. As long as you can carry it, you're good to go. A lot of these themed parties take place on the pool deck, or otherwise known as the Lido deck, and weather is never a problem on a cruise ship. Cruise ships have so many contingencies that can deal with pretty much anything. If the weather is bad, they just move it into another venue like this one, the Spinnaker Lounge. Again, weather is never a problem, and on most nights there's more than one party going on, so you can switch between the pool deck and the Spinnaker Lounge and maybe the theater and just walk in and out. Again, no cover charge, no worries about anything. Carefree living on a cruise ship. As many of you know, I visited all of these themed parties and events, and they're all available here on the New York channel. Tomorrow's port of call is St. Martin, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think out of all the islands I'm heading towards on this ship, St. Martin has the most places to visit as far as my agenda. One of the big topics of discussion on a ship is always, where are you going tomorrow? What are you going to do on the island? Most people book 1 or 2 excursions, others just go to the beach and hang out on the beach all day. I like to, as a vlogger, I like to take tour buses because they stop off at 4, 5, 6 different places, and that means 4, 5, 6 different videos for me. So that's my agenda always when we stop off at the port of call. Others, well, they just simply stay on the ship. The ship is half empty and they have the whole ship to themselves as far as shopping, restaurants, the pool. They enjoy ports of call just so that they can enjoy the ship more. Hey, if you're enjoying this Hoedown video, why not subscribe to the New York channel and give the video a thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. I appreciate that, guys. As always, if you want to help support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I do appreciate all your support, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.